a little side story what I remember. This is a board I pulled out of a DTZ-2100. Like, if you see stuff like that, you know, copper foil soldered to the board, several leads soldered on to the end of random resistors, leads soldered onto the ends of chips, a bunch of jumpers glued to the back and a chip like that, just know that you have a lemon and that you shouldn't bother trying to fix it, because you're never going to be able to figure out what's wrong with a lemon. It's a lemon. I think ultimately this chip had been cracked, but I wasn't good enough at soldering yet to put it on properly, and I messed up a bunch of other stuff, and then I was like, that's when I noticed it was a lemon. I don't know how I didn't see that sooner, but, you know, just how to spot a lemon should be obvious.